Hey everyone, welcome to Killhut 702's Adventures and Explorations. On this video, we're about to go for a little hike. We're gonna go check out Falls Creek Falls. We're gonna go check out this waterfall in Durango, Colorado. Alright, so let's get started on this trail. I'm wearing the GoPro on my chest as well, so I can get some of the trail footage. I'll keep this camera going forward, or towards me, so let's go. Go this way. Look like we're going right into here. So we'll turn this camera back on when we get in there. Little jungle. Extend here a little bit, bring it out. So. Not sure which way to go. Guess we'll go this way. I hear water. Another little bridge. A trail that goes that way too. Trail that comes down. This way. Oh, well, that doesn't go through. That trail goes up. I think we need to go back down this way. So let's keep walking this way. Bless you.
Yeah, I think you go up, you just keep following the trail.
Is it that way? Because I seen another one that went that way too.
No, it's the big one.
Is it? Alright, thank you. Alright, so we'll head up this way. Alright, let's climb up this thing. I think this might take us around over to the falls. It's so beautiful behind me. Mountains. Not a super long trail. I know they said it'd take like 20 minutes for the whole thing. So, yeah, walking down this way. Nice hike. It's like, what, 9 o'clock in the morning over here. Now make sure to smash that like button. Comment down below, let me know what you think. But let's get to the waterfalls first before we get to that part. We got a double camera going on. Chest cam, as you can see. A little bit of hiking first thing in the morning. I heard the water running. I think we have to go around to get to the falls part. So we should be getting in there soon. Alright, getting a little rocky. Ow. Make sure I don't mess up my ankle. Alright, so we'll see when we get a little bit further down on this camera. Big trail. Hear that train in the background? The only thing I didn't bring was a bottle of water. Probably not very smart. That sounds so cool. Here we go. Little creek right there. Keep heading down to the waterfall part of it. Alright, let's continue down this trail. Try and get closer to these waterfalls and let's see where this leads. That's pretty cool. We'll get closer to it. I don't know why this camera's giving me problems. Well, let's continue. Try not to fall down right here. Alright. So, we got the creek here. We'll go down here first. Got a little steady flow to it too. On the way here, we crossed a big lake down in the canyon. Nice. Alright, we're gonna turn the chest cam off and we're gonna use this one. Extend you out. Get through the whole creek. So let me know what y'all think down below in the comment section. Let's head closer up towards that big fall. I don't even need my sunglasses. It's nice right here. So let's head further up. So we were just down there. Take you around real quick. Sorry about that sun. Well, and that's the waterfall right behind me. Yeah, buddy. Got the water running this way. Let's get closer to it. See if I can walk across this tree without falling. Whoa, super slippery. Alright. Well, we're right here by the waterfall. We're trying not to fall. Alright, I gotta turn this camera off so I can get up here. I got the trust cam running. Alright, back on dry land. Alright, I got over that. Those are like super slippery. Right now I'm on this dry rock. Let's get under the waterfall. I'm gonna drop my backpack off over here. Go. How about that, huh? Better hit that like button. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. That's just beautiful. Look around. I wouldn't rather be anywhere else right now. You know, see if I can find somewhere to sit down. There you go. I've made a lot of changes recently in my life. One of them is to travel more and get that content. Let me wipe this lens off. There you go. Hopefully it's better. Just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. Continue this journey with me. It means a lot. Making me better as a person. This right here is life. I love it. Alright, so I think after this we're gonna go ahead and head back on up to the car. This wasn't the longest trail, but this was definitely worth it. So with that being said, thank you everyone for watching. We will see you guys on the next video, the next adventure we're about to head to next. Who knows, we're gonna end up out in Durango, Colorado. Definitely recommend checking this place out. We will see you guys in the next video, fam. Love you guys. Peace.